Hi there, here we are with our patient Ron. Ron came in for a 11-month follow-up video. Ron has an amazing story. When he was a young boy, he had like a kerosene gas poured on you, and it burned his scalp. And he lived with that scar throughout his life, and he always wanted to get it fixed. And he did research and was having trouble finding someone who could fix it. He came across my video of Raheem, and Raheem had is another story very similar, where he was a young boy and had boiling water poured on him that we fixed. And he saw that story and came in, and we did the surgery. This whole area was all scarred from that incident when he was younger. We did the procedure. He came out amazing. He did an excellent job. He's following all of his instructions. He's on the Propecia. He did everything right as a patient, and he's back in business 11 months later. We went through and strengthened up his hairline. We made the scars disappear. We got about probably 80+% of the scars gone for the most part. If you can kind of just tuck your chin down like that a little bit. This whole thing was a huge scar all the way through here.
Right.
And how was your experience with the surgery and the procedure?
It was great, amazing.
Good.
Yeah.
And now, how do you feel having your hair back?
Oh, I feel great, more comfortable to myself. You know, I used to be like, low self-esteem. I always have a problem taking picture with my wife, because every time we go out, she want to take picture. Most of the time I'm like, oh, why we have to take a picture? Because I don't wanna.
Yeah.
I don't wanna see that. When I take right now, I'm more comfortable with taking a picture. I'm the first one to tell her, oh, you wanna take a picture?
So it was a lifelong scar, and it kept you from living your life to the fullest.
Right.
Because you were always worried, is someone going to see the scar? Don't focus on that. Stop looking at that.
Yeah, that's the first thing they when when I don't wear hat, the first when people are looking at me my head. Sometimes they some people, they don't ask me, oh, what happened to her? They just looking like, I'm like, every time they're looking at my head, I'm like, oh man, that's really make me feel uncomfortable.
Right.
But right now that's not the case no more.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah.
And are you doing things that you've never done besides the photos? What else are you doing now that you haven't done before? You doing any sports, any swimming, anything like that?
Oh, I can't swim, but
Go to the beach more comfortably now?
More comfortable on the beach and stuff.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
And what do your family and friends think? What do they say to you?
Oh, right now I have a brother in Chile. He living in Chile right now. So I took a picture with my wife and my kids, and then I share it on WhatsApp, and he says, like, wow, damn, you have your hair back. I'm like, yeah, and then I sent him the picture, before and after, and like, wow, that's great. So
that's awesome, man.
Yeah, man.
I'm so happy for you.
Yeah, and then some family members, I still keep it surprised, like when they see me, and they be like, wow, what happened? How you get your hair back? I just keep it,
Oh, you don't tell, you don't.
Some I don't tell. That's why I don't really share a picture on Facebook and stuff like that. So I just want when they see me face to face, and then.
That's awesome.
Yeah.
All right, I want to show your scar in the back, if we can find your scar. So no issues with healing or anything, right?
Nothing.
Let's see if we can see. Oh, sorry, I'm just going to look to see if we can find your scar anywhere.
Yeah.
So everybody, here, look at this, Josh. Can you see this? So this is more. So this is the suture line right there, coming all the way through. And it's just unbelievable, man. Look at that. Can't even see it. You really get, and you wear your hair short. Has anyone ever said anything about your scar back here?
No, nobody.
No, nobody, of course not. Good. Yeah. So all the way around. Look at that. Beautiful. You were a great patient. I can tell when my patients follow the instructions, because the suture line is just, God, lift your head up, please, Ron. is just perfect. Look at that. That's it right there. Wow. That's awesome, man. That's awesome. And so I'm gonna let you come back here, Josh. And I'm just gonna kind of spin you around here and kind of just turn you around. I'm gonna look at the back and just kind of put your head back towards the camera a little bit. Like lean your head back. There you go. So all of that was filled in. And you can kind of see everything, how nice that filled in. Barely see the scar. If we had one more procedure on them, you'd never see that. That's awesome, man. So, what do you say to someone out there who's in your situation?
Oh man, I really want to recommend some people to you, Dr. Bolton, because you're doing an amazing job.
Thank you very much.
I would never think that I had the chance to get my hair back, because you know, for so many years I do so much research, and then I was give up. I would give up, and then there's one time and I was on YouTube and I see that video pop up. The other patient's name Rahim, and then I see a burning patient had transplant. I'm like, I thought I was dreaming, and then when I click and I see all this information, I'm like, wow, I'm dreaming right now. You know, it's when I come here and you look at it and you say, oh, you're gonna get your hair back. That's when I get a smile. I'm like, wow, that's really gonna happen. For me, it was a miracle. I didn't never think that was gonna happen.
I'm so happy for
Yeah, I thank you a lot, your staff, for the amazing job. I mean,
congratulations.
Wow.
And thank you for doing the video.
Thank you.